Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here again. Someone recently asked me how my backyard was doing, so let's take a look. It's not as dark green as the perennial ryegrass in the front lawn, but it's looking pretty good, and it has clearly acclimated to being cut to 2 1/4 inches. All the renovated areas are getting very dense, and it's soft and fun to walk on. A few exceptions are a couple of brown spots and the control area from my dormant seeding experiment. This is the control area, and it still has some filling in to do. These brown spots are for me painting grass killer on some of the tall fescue that survived on a seam between 2 of my renovations. I should have waited until fall to do this, so that I wouldn't have to look at the brown spots so long. The peppers and tomatoes are doing well. As are the flowers and vegetables that my wife planted this year. Wow, take a look at the squash my wife planted. They seem to like it here. There's some carrots here and a head of lettuce that looks amazing. Here's what happens when I miss a spot near the fence with the pre-emergent in the spring. Weeds, lots of crabgrass and spotted spurge. Other than that, things are looking pretty good. Here's my Mazama Kentucky bluegrass renovation from last fall. It's filling in nicely. And so is the rest of last fall's renovation and fall dormant seeding experiment. I just have one large area left to renovate this year, on the left side here between and around the pine trees. You can see a lot of dormancy and drought stress here in the old grass. I need to try to get this to wake up before it's time to begin the renovation, so that the grass killer can do its job and all the fine fescue and old grass living here. Don't forget to like this video and then hit the subscribe button, then ring the bell next to it so you don't miss any new videos. And remember, you can do it.